Alright, so here we're gonna try to create a beautiful tropical wall. We have an inspiration here. You see this lovely wallpaper that has all these various tropical shapes, different leaves with these vibrant colors. So we have this Bermuda breeze kit which has few monstera leaves, and we also have jungle vibe kit, so also different shapes, different tropical leaves. I'm going to arrange them randomly on the wall, and then we're going to get started with the paint. It's going to be a lot of fun. So as you can see, I'm mixing different kinds of greens on this pattern. I'm just using various greens. You can mix and match, shading the edges. You see the edges I'm making a little darker. That gives it the sense of volume. So it's basically just like a simple coloring technique.